Hello everyone. Today we are going to see class 10 first chapter real numbers. So before going to the exercise sums, we have to know what do you mean by real numbers. So real numbers are nothing but a combination of both rational and irrational numbers. So it is simply denoted by the letter R. So what do you mean by rational number? So rational number which has both a numerator and a denominator, or it can be ordinary number also. For example, if I take the number 5, it is also a rational number. So its denominator will be 5 by 1. Right. So where the denominator must not be equal to 0. So a rational number can either be a positive or a negative number also. Clear? So now, and this rational number is divided into two. One is fractions and integers. So fractions also same, like it has both numerator and denominator, but the only thing is to note where a fraction carries only positive numbers, so it doesn't have negative number. If a fraction has a negative number, it comes under the category of rational numbers. So it is here, it must have only positive values. So in integers, so it is denoted by the letter Q. So it has both positive and the negative values also. So it includes 0, and this integer is further divided into two. One is a negative number and the positive number. So we know that negative numbers which carry the sign negative, so like -5, -4, all these comes under, so it goes till minus infinity. So for example, like your number line, so this is your number line. So in between we have 0, so here you have -1, -2, so it goes till minus infinity. So all these category will be negative, and here you have positive, right? So it carries positive sign, and so which is if we move towards right hand side to the 0, like 1, 2, 3, and it goes till infinity. So all these are nothing but positive values, which is positive integers. And here the positive integers are further divided into two. One is the natural numbers and another one is the whole numbers. So natural numbers, which is denoted by the letter N, and it starts from 1, which is positive 1, till infinity it goes. Whereas whole numbers, we have to just include 0, and it also goes till infinity. Clear? So all these fractions, integers, these all comes under the category of rational numbers. And what is this irrational numbers? So irrational numbers are nothing but, it can be both a positive or a negative value. We cannot express this in the form of numerator and denominator, which we say in mathematical terms like P by Q. Here the P denotes a numerator and Q represents denominator. So in irrational numbers, we cannot express a number in the form of P by Q. So it is not, we cannot express. Whereas in rational numbers, we can express, right? So these like this 1 by 2, it is in the form of P by Q, right? So in rational, we can express in the form of P by Q, whereas in irrational, we cannot express in the form of P by Q, and it can either be a positive or a negative number. Clear? So all these comes under rational, and this is irrational.